Hello, I'm Joyce Rossen, a certified counselor, and this is your Healthy Minute for today. Doing things that used to give you pleasure, or that still do, can make a huge difference. It might seem difficult, and you may have to push yourself to do them at first. However, you might end up being pleasantly surprised when they start making you feel better. Don't expect these tasks to be completely or quickly that they will lift your depression. They'll work more gradually, but they will work. You can start playing your favorite sport, go out with friends, take up a hobby again, go hiking. As difficult as it may be, don't simply just sit indoors and stew about things. Get up and do something. May God bless you today.